the structure of the market has changed quite a bit recently, wanted to show you something here. Let's see. So you know what I'm kind of looking at. Here's the full cycle of Elliott wave. I didn't want to pull that one up. Let's try this one. Okay, and you see here, whenever we're in an impulsive wave and we're going up, the structure of the market is normally three waves in a corrective manner, but the overall trend is up. But right now we've established a correction in the market and a downtrend. So we're in this area right here on the 4 hour. I'm expecting we come up and maybe take out the high on the 4 here, but then I expect another 5 waves down, and we'll go in the middle of the range of 3, which we've had we've had an extension there. So I'm gonna kind of pull it up and kind of forecast ahead, so you'll kind of know whereabouts I think the market is headed, and it'll give you general direction. And I think that sets us up for the Fed to come in and start QE and to start cutting rates. Now, looking at this structure right here, this is the same image I had this morning. But based off this, let's see, we had an extended wave 3 here, and we got a 4 right here. So let's look at the daily too. Yeah, and then on the daily, that it'll look like a three wave correction, and I think we'll target like right here, this fib level. I don't want to get too completely bearish right now with QE happening, and not sure on what the Fed will do, but I believe that they'll cut rates in December, and that'll fuel the market. But in the short term, I'm expecting us to come up, probably take out, maybe not that high, probably come up here and take out that 4, or maybe even fill the gap or go to the halfway mark of the gap right here, but then eventually come back down and have another impulsive structure, which it's not happened yet. So that'll put us somewhere. Once it starts happening, I can get measurements and kind of know how far it'll go. But overall, that'd put us down in this area, down in the 4, maybe on top of this, on these highs right here would be a good area. But it's not a complete crash or anything like that. I'm not calling for that. I think right here, if we come down, let's measure it right here. It'll be anywhere from 8 to 9% pullback. Now, this could be completely wrong. I mean, I don't know what the Fed's going to do, if they're going to come out with commentary or anything. Anything can change. But I think just based off Elliott wave and us having a five wave move down, that kind of tells you that we're in a corrective structure. And if you look back here, we've not had any kind of corrective pattern like that. It's always been 3 waves, A, B, C. Same thing here, A, B, C. Same thing here. You got a A, B, and a C, all the way up through here. and we've not seen a structure like we're seeing right now. Even right here, we had an A, we come up, there's a B and the C. And like right now, even right here, same thing. And then now we're actually getting a bear trend. So we've got a 1, the 2 comes up, 3, 4, and a 5. And that all, it could obviously turn into a 1, 2, or I mean, you never know. But I think in the short term, we're going to bounce up and take out these highs right here, maybe fill half of that gap or maybe fill it all the way. But that would be something to check. If we come up and fill this gap and keep going, then you know that the correction's over. But overall, I'm thinking we'll come down here, and this would be a good area right here to be watching. But anything can change. I'm not recommending to buy or sell or anything right now. Me personally, I'm passive investing every week, but I have money on the side right now, and I'm waiting. I don't mess around with options or anything like that. I'm not trying to speculate daily or anything. Um, I just try to buy stocks at good prices when it happens. And I feel like down here would be a good area because right now we are the Schiller P's at 40, 41. I think 44 was the all-time high, and when that happened, stocks came down a lot. So for me, I like to come in and buy when everybody's fearful. And right now, this is just, I mean, it's nothing. I think we've had like a 3 or 4% pullback. But right in this area, I would definitely be looking to add. But anyways, I'm just keeping y'all updated. Let me know what you think. What do you think of the general direction? Do you think the dip's over and we're going higher? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't followed my channel, if you don't care to do that, it helps me be able to continue to share content to y'all. Thanks.